Today I'm going to show you some of the awesome new products that you can choose for your winter box. This is all about customization number 3, and I'm telling you, this is a slay. SLEIGH. Make sure you stick around until the end because I have a code that's gonna help you save some money on your box. You may also see an Easter egg that hasn't been revealed yet, so comment below if you notice it. Also, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and like and comment on this video. It helps us out a lot. Okay, let's get started. This is the dpHUE Apple Cider Vinegar Exfoliating Scalp Detox. This helps reduce shedding and promotes healthy hair growth. This is great for dry scalp, all hair colors, and all hair types. Apple cider vinegar helps keep the pH of the scalp balanced, it exfoliates, and it can unclog hair follicles. Salicylic acid and fruit enzymes help to gently exfoliate your scalp. We use salicylic acid on our face. I don't really think about this a lot, but like your scalp is skin too. And so it makes sense that you would need to be exfoliating that part of your body as well. It has red clover flower extract, it has menthol, it has so many great ingredients, you guys, and all of them are doing different things to help your hair be as most beautiful and healthy as it can be. For best results, you're gonna wanna use it once a week. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. I just started dyeing my hair this year, so I'm really excited about having something that's gonna keep my hair nice and healthy. This is the GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum. It says right here on the packaging, longer, thicker looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. I'm so ready. This lash enhancing serum is gonna last you for 3 months. And by the end of the 3 months, your lashes are gonna look amazing. The way that you use this is you apply a single stroke to each clean eyelid, following your upper lash line like a liquid eyeliner. You just need to use one dip into the bottle and one single stroke on each upper lash line. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for the serum to dry before applying other products or laying down. After 3 months of daily use, apply every other day for maintenance. This is perfect for the no makeup look. It's very model off duty, must have. I got the brows, so this is gonna help me get the lashes. This is the MALIN+GOETZ Peppermint Body Scrub. I love MALIN+GOETZ. I have gotten so many of their products in previous sales. Their hand and body wash is so good. And now I'm excited to try their peppermint body scrub. This has no artificial colors or harsh chemicals. It's great for sensitive skin. It's residue free. It is purifying and balancing for all skin types. This is a wonder product. It smells so good, you guys. It's exfoliating, but also really smooth. I'm definitely gonna be using this in place of my typical body wash. I'm also just so excited because this product is so big. It's literally gonna last me all season. All right, let's move on to the next product. Oh wait, I'm wearing it. This is the Coach Cable Knit Winter Headband. Keep your head and your ears warm and cozy while you're staying stylish. I love skiing, I love ice skating. Winter is my favorite season. You will be seeing me in the snow this winter, and I'm gonna be wearing this. It's gonna be so cute on the slopes, on an ice skating rink, or just going to Ralph's. We love Coach, you love Coach, we know that you love Coach. It's Coach. Since I live in LA, I'm gonna be wearing this anytime it drops below 68 degrees. Let me know where you're gonna be wearing this season. I'm on the social team and we were just filming the winter campaign in Lake Arrowhead, and the makeup artists were really using this palette on the models and it looked so good. They did so many different looks on people of all different skin types. Everyone looked so chic. They have all of these awesome shimmers and also the mattes. Whatever your vibe is, you're gonna be able to make it happen with this palette. It's highly pigmented, it's buildable, it's versatile, it blends seamlessly. One of the things that makes these colors so smooth is the jojoba oil. The matte neutrals are great for daily wear, and the shimmers are so fun for any holiday party you have coming up. I think this silver is really gonna be perfect for New Year's. I also love the cinnamon bun aesthetic. Each of the colors is named after a different ingredient in a cinnamon bun. There's dough, cinnamon, icing, brown sugar, vanilla. Comment below which colors you're gonna be using this season. This is the Lemmy Irish Sea Moss Beauty Liquid Drops. Lemmy is a vitamin and supplement line developed by Kourtney Kardashian Barker in partnership with Simon Huck. It supports healthy skin, healthy hair, and just overall wellness. The main ingredients are a organic Irish sea moss and then vegan vitamin D3 and biotin, which is great. You could take it directly by mouth or mix it with water or whatever smoothie or pressed juice you're having today. I've been seeing sea moss in every health food store, every smoothie bar, but I haven't tried it. It's usually so expensive. Biotin is great for hair health, and vitamin D is so important to supplement in the winter. I also also like that I'm getting all of these vitamins without having to take a pill. I personally just hate taking pills, so I'm really glad to be able to get those vitamins without having to do that. The next one is another Lemmy product. This is the Lemmy Matcha Energy Metabolism Gummies. The main ingredients in here are organic matcha, the antioxidant coenzyme Q10, and B12. Adults can take 2 gummies up to 3 times a day. This comes with 60 gummies, so you're gonna be good for a while. I actually took these this morning and went to Pilates, grocery shopping, did my laundry, led a meeting, and all that was before I came here at 9 a.m. That is it, you guys, for customization 3. Make sure that you customize your winter box, and here's that code that I promised you. Let me know what you're choosing in the comments below. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I have to go, but I'll see you next season.